So I don't know if you can see it in the distance, but we found golden chanterelles. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Look what we found. So this is a golden chanterelle, highly prized, delicious, meaty mushroom. And we're just gonna get to the bottom of it. I wanna show you how gorgeous this thing is. Look at that. Very happy to find my first golden chanterelle, thanks to my sister who showed me this secret spot that she has. It's amazing, the feeling when you find these beautiful, beautiful mushrooms. We're gonna pick some and then we're gonna go home and cook them and eat them. Beautiful mushroom. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a whole bunch. Like if you look at, see all those golden color, you can spot them. They're all around. There's like 1, 2, it's like amazing finding treasure, and they're everywhere. I wanna give you more shots of those chanterelles. They're all along, you can see them, just gorgeous. So I'm gonna take this, and we're just gonna take the knife and we're gonna remove that. We don't want that. Look at that beautiful, gorgeous mushroom. I'm just gonna stir fry it. And enjoy this beautiful, beautiful mushroom.